Morning everybody and welcome to today's morning market. So today I'm going to focus in on yesterday's strong data from US small businesses around the optimism for the future. Okay, so what's the background? So the data produced yesterday was called the NFIB Small Business Optimism Index. So it's a survey of small businesses in the US, and it's a way to understand how certain or uncertain they are on the future. So the higher the number, that indicates a higher level of confidence these businesses have in the future outlook. Now, what was the data? So the index itself jumped to 101.7. So that's the latest reading for November. So this is the highest reading since June 2021. So it gives you an idea of that confidence that those businesses are seeing more moving forward. From last month, that was 93.7. And most importantly, it was ahead of forecasts. So forecasts were coming in at 94.2. So you got quite a significant beat there overall. So the net percent of business owners expecting the economy to improve, that rose 41 points to 36%. So that's the highest since June 2020. Now, why is the data improved? Now, I'll read a quote here from the chief economist at NFIB, a gentleman called Bill Dunkenberg. So he said that the election results signal a major shift in economic policy, leading to a surge in optimism among small business owners. Main Street also become more certain around future business conditions following the election, so breaking a nearly 3-year streak of record high uncertainty. But most importantly, I suppose, what's our take on this? The survey illustrates that the trend that US companies overall, so not just small businesses, believe that they have more clarity on the future after the election. Businesses are particularly hopeful for more favourable tax and regulatory policies to come through under Donald Trump to help them drive market share. So what else is happening in the coming few days? Well, actually today we have US inflation data. So we're expecting an uptick to 2.7% year on year. That compares to last month's figure, which was 2.6%. And this is one of the key messages that the US central bank, so the Federal Reserve, the people that decide on interest rates in the US, are looking at to understand the trajectory of monetary policy. Expectations for next week's monetary policy meetings, that's on December the 18th, is that we see a 0.25% interest rate cut come through. That's everything from me. We'll come back to you tomorrow on the US inflation data, but I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you very much.
This video is not a recommendation or personal financial advice. With investing, your capital is at risk. Investments can fluctuate in value and you may get back less than you invest.